good.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to see if I can make it a quick one. Hey, supervise, chairman. I'm hearing what has been going. Sorry. Yes, your stand is so loud.
Better.
So I'm hearing this. DNA is the motive. DNA is the motive. I'm not against DNA. Before I start, one of those people who has really used my platform to shout about this DNA. Let's look at it very well. Okay. If this DNA come positive or negative, how is it the motive? If it come negative, we're going to be, oh yes, it's the father of the child that pied Mohbad or asked the boy to be pied. Yeah? That's one answer I'm going to get. And then if it came negative, we're going to be saying, okay, that's the motive. Okay, how do we get that particular person who is the father of this child to come out? Okay, and then
can I answer you? Or you still have more questions?
Yeah, I still have more questions, but just give me that one answer, please.
You see, who is the father of Liam? That is none of us business.
Okay.
You see? Okay. Let's be hold on, man. Let's be honest with ourselves. See, I think it's high time people should understand their limits in some families' issues. Show yourself. Okay. Whoever is the father of hold on, mama.
Okay.
Whoever is the father of that young boy is none of anybody's business. Sure, you understand? So that is their family. This Baba, Mama, all of them to know. And if they've already know, that is to them. Our own as public is waiting by Mohbad. We all just want to know who are those who buy this boy. We just want to know. That is our own. I think like your first question is okay, what will he do? So you understand, like, okay, apparently the boy comes out like it's Mohbad child. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, it comes positive because we are looking. If you're going for DNA, you are looking positive or negative. Are you getting my point? If it comes negative, we public we're going to point fingers on the father of the child because it's negative. If it comes positive, we're not going to point fingers on the father of the child, right? And then. Who buy Mohbad? If it come positive, who not buy Mohbad? And are we going to move on? If we not focus, what I see this case on, some of this division of this group, they are focusing on DNA alone. No phone for forensic, no 15 people in the house, nothing they are doing about that. They're focusing on only this DNA, on this Baba group side. And then we, the other group, who we feel that we are looking for particular people, which is this Justice for Mohbad group. We are not in that group that we must focus on only DNA. Okay, let's look at what Sanchito or the other ones are doing with the criminal case. It's the nurse they already told us who buy Mohbad. It's the nurse and the spending or whatever it is. Let's look at this side. These people, they will be charged for negligence, not who directly buy Mohbad. So I don't understand why we should not focus on the 15 people in the house and the phone forensic to identify the cost of Mohbad's buying. Why are they not focused on the people that break this guy's neck, squeeze him in a small coffee? Where are these people? Why are they not being prosecuted for one offense or the other they have committed? In the sense of burying this child, young boy early, putting him in a small coffee, breaking his neck to make him fit into the coffee. Why are we not looking at these angles? Why are we just being divided and talking motive of DNA? Yes, you're going to be asking me, who is the father of Liam as far as the DNA has come negative? What about if me tell you that I slept with 5 men, 6 men? Oh, I thought it's Mohbad. Unfortunately, I must have got it wrong. I can't even identify the father of this child. What are you going to do? Where's the motive that you are looking at the DNA? Only DNA for. Where is the motive you are looking for there? When this girl come and says, this woman come and says, oh yes, I thought it's the father. Okay, I slept with this man, I slept with this man, I slept with this man. Are you going to be doing all the old men that she will claim she has slept with? Are you going to be doing DNA for all of them at once? And then, okay, let's assume that even if she identified the real father of that child, now come up to say, yes, I'm the father. I impregnated her and the child is not Mohbad child. Yes, I do understand. I refuse to come out since because I don't want to be dragged into the mob. Okay, I have nothing to do with Mohbad buying. And the 15 people in the house now say, yes, this man has nothing to do with the buying of Mohbad. Yes, he's the father of Liam. What's the way forward? Have we got the justice? Instead of we to look at the main issue of who buy Mohbad, we are still ranting about this DNA, 20 February 3rd, we will get the answer. All those nonsense has to stop, please. This whole nonsense, motive. When you are analyzing about motive of DNA, you should explain after you identify the DNA as a motive, explain to the public what will now happen after the DNA come negative. As you have said is a motive, what will then happen? Will you force the police to force me to confess the father of that child? The only thing that will happen is police will invite this girl to their office and they will question her. Who is the father of the child? And she tell you, I don't know. I have slept with different men. I can't figure out who is the father. What will you do? Don't you see that your narrative of the motive is closed, it's shut down there. We are not living in
sorry, Justice for Mohbad. Titus still on Justice something now. He said Baba already told us that he will direct us to the killer of Mohbad immediately after the DNA. You know?
And then, we supervise. But just give, I don't even want to go Baba's side, because if I start going there now, it will look, his dog will come outside here now and start targeting me here. But
please don't let us do that, please.
No, when I start talking, you are going to Baba's direction. If I start going there with you now, you will see they will come and start saying, oh, what do you mean by that? That's why I don't want to even go to that. I don't want to go there.
Don't use that language. This is 2026.
No, when I mean dogs,
it's
not, you are not insulting anybody when you use the word dogs. Anybody can.
I know.
Yeah, you're not insulting anybody.
We want to keep, Mama, hold on. See, we want to keep everything clean. Ask questions.
Supervise. Okay, let's
do everything you want to do
supervise
on this platform.
Supervise. Should I start saying Baba says?
Go ahead, ma. Go ahead.
Okay, should I say Baba says Omo Ale? Omo Ale.
Baba says so, not that you are trying to say. This year we are saying it the way it is, but don't abuse anyone.
Okay, that's fine. We're just okay. Let's say it now. Baba, when DNA out.
No, Baba, hold on. Let me help you. Mama,
okay.
Since you are not Yoruba.
I'm not Yoruba.
Baba say,
but I hear very well.
So you understand?
Okay.
As the interviewer asked Baba, hold on, ma, that Alilupa Mohbad, Baba said yes. And that is why he's looking for DNA. That if they finish the DNA, is going to point us to the alley. Okay. And by Baba said, this is not hearsay or anything.
I heard it as well, Supervisor.
There's a video, yes. Some visual, not even audio.
Okay. So we are holding two
that one is different.
Supervisor, we are holding two options here now. The DNA come negative. Baba will not be able to tell us, Baba will be able to tell us, the Omo Ale, that's by his son. Then if the DNA come positive now, Baba will not be able to tell us about Omo Ale that by his son anymore because it's not positive. So where do we go? Where's the motive that we are looking at now? The motive, that chapter of the motive closed instantly if that DNA come positive. And then let's look at the other side of the 15 people. And let's look at the phone forensic. These are the main things. But we have seen Baba Mohbad running after Naira Marley, even when the DPP have said they find them not guilty. And even if you run after Naira Marley, and Naira Marley at the end of the day refuse to tell you who is said to buy your son, you have not get anywhere. But those 15 people in the house, by the time they arrest these 15 people, no matter how strong these 15 people are, one will be able to, we have a nipple inside one of them. We can already see Adura trying to say something. If not that the mother came and King White came to suppress what this guy has to say. We would have got that justice through there if actually the Baba group allowed that to happen, because at that time they were watering down every effort of what Mr. Yomi was doing. If they really, we all in one side and support Yomi and stand against that Mama Mohbad and the King White, maybe we would have got something from Adura. Look at how confident Adura has built his confidence now. The assurance he has got now. We cannot get anything from there. The earlier stage, we can see the trauma. We can see the pain that boy was going through, that they buried his brother, and maybe himself. Possible he has a hand with this. We don't know what happened. We want to know who buy Mohbad, not DNA motive. Like you said, DNA is family issue. Whether it's positive or negative, it is from that direction. We should look at this direction. Sashitu, what are you doing? Sitting on that case, no development, no information, no way forward. You are saying with everything we have talked, we have contributed money for Baba to look for a way to, because we know this kind of case, money will be involved. Public have done the best they can. The same public have said to Baba, go after the 15 people in the house, go after the phone forensic. Baba refused. Sashitu lawyer refused. Muyiwa refused. Grace refused. These people surrounding Baba, they are not seeing that, they know deep inside their hearts that the direction Baba is going to, which is this DNA, we never identify the physical buying of Mohbad. This DNA it's just a paperwork certificate with a blood test.
Justice for Mohbad. Justice for Mohbad. Mama, can I engage you a little, ma? Sorry, ma. I want to say something here. You see, this is 2026, like I've just begun to say now. There are some things that we should do away with in this 2026. There is nobody that has any monopoly.
Sorry. No, 1 second. Let me address what Taylor just said. That you said to Baba, when will you challenge the government with one voice? How can we challenge the government? Yeah, when the family is not coming out to challenge the government, who am I to challenge the government? Once is the family done to challenge the government? Just give me one thing the family have done to challenge the government. You look at Yomi going around to use banner everywhere to challenge the government. Is it TikTok, Baba coming on live, we challenge the government for that? You have to go, but the family of Aloba has to go to press interview with all their family lining up in the seat, in the lunch bench. The way Yomi did with everybody with the press conference. Your Baba should go and line up there with Crazy and Muyiwa and then face BBC and news broadcast and say his grievances there, rather than on TikTok. You get it? So I think I'm able to address this issue, Taylor, because at the end of the day, I'm not Baba family. I'm only just giving my support. Nobody is paying me anything. I'm watching you people now because me, I've answered watching how the phone forensic, how the DNA will give you justice. This last direction is what you people are encouraging Papa to go and leaving the main issue of the phone forensic and the 15 people in the house. So I'm watching. I'm just putting my hands on my shoulder. Can't wait for the DNA February to come positive or negative.
Okay. Justice for Mohbad, Mama, hold on, ma. Can you just mute for 1 second, ma?
I'm gonna go now anyway. I'm just gonna be at the background. I'm gonna be listening. Yeah, because I'm on my break, so I need to go back to work.
Okay, that's all done. Yeah, like what I want to say is this. It's so easy.
Sorry,
yes, I get the angle you're coming from.
Supervisor, sorry. Yeah. You will conclude. I just came up because of Tyler. Tyler is Tyler. And Titus Taylor. Okay. He's talking about let's concentrate on the government. But I want him to understand something. You know, most of the time we keep blaming the government. But see it also that the government gave us some space or some chance, opportunity to prove them wrong by giving us space to do our own autopsy. What happened? So, and government also gave you the space to do your own investigation. You get your lawyer. What did you derive? What did you achieve? Nothing. Everything was based on speculation. There is no tangible evidence. You keep saying, blame the government. Yes, the police have done theirs, which is a body of government. And they brought what they did. And your own is like a photocopy of that of government. So now, why will you now say, talk about government when government gave you chance to do yours and you couldn't bring anything tangible out of it? So I feel somehow when I hear people start saying blame government. The only thing you can do to upturn that of government is to go deep and find tangible that of government and make that of government useless. Rather, you are busy photocopying that of government. So who is to blame, to be blamed? So please, when we are talking, let us talk with wisdom. Enough of trying to cover somebody why the person is not even ready for that justice you want. Please, let me.
Yes, thank you so much. This is what I'm saying. Do you know that when I come up and says, blame the family who refuse to put themselves together and look for justice. Look at Yomi on his own, everywhere going. They said, now look at him with everything he's doing. Do you know in one platform they say very soon we'll go to China and go and speak Chinese to still tell the government in Chinese to give justice. You that is laughing Yomi going up and down to put banner. What have you done? It's just on TikTok. Why carry that? And you say you are looking for justice. So somebody going to put a banner on himself. Look, I can do it in UK. Yeah. I can just wake up in the morning, carry banner and stand in the middle of the road and says I want justice for Mohbad. And then you come on live and say, look at justice for Mohbad. You'll be here. What you were in the street, you. That's what you people will say. And I'm trying to put my contribution. I am not government. I'm not police. Okay, look, in this country, I don't know of Nigeria, whether you people will fight with the government without your evidence and you want government to pass justice for you. In this country you must get evidence. If there is allegation against you, somebody make an allegation or complain against you, the police will ask you, did you have evidence? If you don't have evidence, your case will never be treated. Baba Mohbad needs to tackle those 15 people in the house, go and get phone forensic, see if there's anything you can pick out there. Then you can use it to fight for justice. This is not this 2026, guys, stop this whole nonsense where you can say, oh, don't talk from bad like that, don't do that. This is, we are only contributing. We're only trying to express ourselves. We are blaming the government. Look at what the family has done. If they have done the right thing, before the police refuse to do anything. One second, Beckers won't become. You remember this George Floyd? I keep on using George Floyd as a reference. When the American government or the police department tried to protect George Floyd bias, which is the police officer because he's one of their professional persons, the public came out, the family came in bunch, extended family. We're talking about not Blessing, Adura, and this extended family. Village people of George Floyd in that America, they came outside to support the family. Everybody was out to pull out, say, no, you can't do this. And they successfully pulled their hands off. You are saying that some powerful person is behind this case. And then you as a father, you and your family are not coming together to come out in the public. Have you ever seen Baba with a banner on the street? Even if the banner will not give you justice, have you done that to demonstrate yourself that you care about your son? But you going on press conference and TikTok, and then you can come back behind the scene and tell the government, I'm just doing that. I know what by my son. I already know. But I'm just doing that so that the public doesn't see me that I'm not getting justice for my son. Is that what you are playing out? Okay, you went to do public go to put money for you to do forensic test. You went to do the test. Up till now, you refuse to tell the public the address, the contact details of where you went to do the test, and the public contributed the money for you. And then when we talk, you target us in another platform and says, well, did you contribute? How much? Let me pay you back. Is that how to get justice? Is that how to get solution? If Papa can bring that information of where they do the test, where did you do the test? Bring it out. When you bring it out, the public people will go and dig. I trust Nigeria. My people, I trust now. When not too much, they will go and dig inside that result and see the nipples there and fight with the company or the clinic that did that test. Say, no, you didn't do it well, do it. But Papa established this thing without in details. And then you are blaming the government. Where the one wanna do? Where on a car and reach? With all the money public say they don't want Muiwa. Public say they don't want Grace. You Papa say Nirara na there go day. Public say no want this lawyer. Papa say the lawyer is doing well. And then you want the police and the government to take Papa serious, right? With every strong doing of this all the lawyer that has been coming around, the way they have handled this case, the way they're playing around with this case, you still want police department to take Baba Mohbad serious with what is the kind of justice he's looking for. What activities have you seen Baba doing in this case? Kali jumping everywhere, doing the best he can, but still we still not get justice because it's not coming from the family, and it's coming from a foundation which, by the way he's doing now, the pressure is putting waiting on them. They don't sleep. If Papa Mohbad on his own side doing what Yomi is doing now, both of them together like this, waiting now, the pressure will be there. If we can only advise Baba to leave that DNA and focus on these 15 people in the house and the phone forensic, we will see something out. We will get something to fight the police. Why can you fight? When I talk, they say, there's one time I talk about you are blaming police, but they say maybe my husband is the police, or do I have my brother? And I say, yes, my husband is the police. Come and beat me up now. Because when you people refuse to listen to the truth, in this country I am, you need evidence. Police have gathered their evidence with the urine and the injection or whatever they find in the house. And you people believe that that's not what's by Mohbad. You want something else. You want Wunmi to go down for the kind of Mohbad. Bring your evidence and fight Wunmi. You can't just come on platform and shout Wunmi look by Mohbad. Wunmi look by Mohbad. And you are not bringing any evidence. And you want to use DNA as a motive. When DNA come negative now, you will see the fire. What up? Is it the DNA that break the people in the neck? The poor boy in the neck? Who buy that small coffee? All these are the things Papa Mohbad and his family. Where do these people know what buy their son? And Mohbad family knows what's really buy Mohbad. If not, I see no reason why this man will be running after DNA. And leaving the person that break that, squeeze that poor boy inside that coffee and say, bury. Let's come to reality. This is 2026. We can't be going around the same cycle again. If that's where you try to say the truth, they will come and be typing, Justice Oba, you have to be there. Let's forget about that. We are not interested anymore. Let's focus on what by this guy. Somebody pulled the trigger in that house. There's allegation against them fighting in the house. The 15 people know what by Mohbad. God forbid, my enemy die now, then my family will be only one person coming to fight for justice. Then they grace. People will come and some Mohbad bad rich. Is Mohbad as bad as that in the family? Because when we hear Mohbad's story, we thought that he took care of the father, he took care of the mother, he took care of the son. He was giving them money. He was doing everything for everybody, even his friends. How come it's only this Baba is fighting for this justice for this guy? Is this really justice? Because you can't tell me that other Mohbad people cannot come and fight for this justice. Do they know what really buy their son? And they know that their son buy for the reason of this and that, and so therefore, they know they cannot get justice? Is that what is happening? I leave that question for Baba Group to answer. Let's focus on 15 people in the house. Advice of Baba. Crazy is there. If actually crazy, you say you are there to support Baba, you are one man standing, you are seeing Baba going wrong in everything he's doing, wrong direction, pull out. Why are you still there? If you are not enjoying the wrong direction Baba is going, why are you still there, Grace? Moyiba, what are you there for? Like me now, if I'm following you supervised to direct you to do something that is right, I was to advise you as a friend, and it's up to you to listen to me or you don't listen. If I see that I'm advising you and you're not listening, supervisor will pull out from you, because I know that when the thing goes wrong, the blame will be on you, on me, for not advising you, for you not listening. So I will feel that I'm not capable enough to be your friend, or I'm not good enough to advise you, so I will pull. So that when you go your wrong and do your mistake, the blame will be on you. But this person refused to leave, because he has a mission that he needs to fulfill. Now the case is damaged now. You can see now Gracie will come out one day and say, I'm not doing it anymore, because people have been accusing me wrongly. That I'm the one directing Baba. Gracie have come online and say, I can only advise Baba. I can't force him. But me, if you have some dignity in you, Gracie, Amuyiwa, pull out. Leave this man alone. If you are really advising him for his going wrong to go fighting after DNA and Naramali, if you know that this is the wrong direction he's going, leave him alone. Let him look for other people that will be there. But instead, these people are still there, sitting down there. The man is going wrong. You are still balancing there. Doing what there? Thank you. I'm going to pause for now. Thank you.
Okay, Justice for Mohbad. Okay, thank you. I want to ask you just 2 questions, Mama. God bless you for that wonderful submission. My first question is this. You talked a lot about DNA. Can I ask you, do you think the DNA it's not a good thing to do. In your own view, do you think it's not good?
My own view, DNA is good to do. 100%. I'm not against the DNA because there's a lot going on where all these women used to go and sleep with different men and just take the baby to another man.
Just hold on. I want us to take it one by one.
Okay, yes, DNA is good.
There is another side of your analogy where you said that what Baba is doing, that in some part is not good, right? That the people around Baba, you mentioned Gracie, you mentioned family one. So can you name 1 or 2, 3 things that you feel like is not good that Baba is doing?
Okay, one is running after Naira Marley and Sam Larry.
Okay.
And challenging standing against the DP, appealing against the DPP outcome. That's one. 2.
Hold on, man. Don't you think that advice should be from the son as at that time? Don't you think so?
Yeah. Oh, one thing if you have a solicitor that is representing you, if anything go wrong, mostly in Nigeria, they're not going to even be pointing at the solicitor. They will be pointing at you as an individual. You understand? When we are even blaming Baba, we are not blaming. If you look very well, some people are just emotionally carried away, blaming the physical Baba, because people are then realize that it's the lawyer. Like me, I've said it in a lot of platforms that if your lawyer is not doing well, and or you as a lawyer, if you have a client who is advising you to a different direction, which you know that you cannot get success on the case, you have to leave the case. I've said it. I've used mine as an example, whereby a lawyer advised me that this way I'm going about it will not work, and I refused, and he pulled out. He said, I'm sorry, I'm not going to be able to represent you because you are not taking my advice.
Okay, God bless you. Let me ask you this question. I know you said something the other time that, Baba has used 1, 2, 3, 4 lawyers. Now, when the first lawyer, I think we start from Fadile, right? If somebody do something and you are not good with that thing, and you see the public shouting, like, no, this person is not doing well, we don't want them. The public go all out for you and with you, and you change the lawyer. Is it a good thing or a bad thing in your view? I just want to know.
Sorry, repeat that again.
Super vibe, my brother. Good afternoon, good morning, everyone.
Good afternoon, lights of the world, man.
Honestly, Cherry, we are all smart.
You didn't allow me to ask my question.
No, I'm not justice for Mohbad. For me, like it, along, go.
Why? You didn't like it?
I don't like it because at least originally Latin for the past many years now. So why is like that is like we are trying to like pretend not knowing or not understanding the game that is playing out. No, now. We all know whatever that is.
I understand the game, but I'm just trying to remind them again.
No. Now you are talking to supervise. Mommy, more like me, more like people they respect me. Honestly, I some things for me, some things as of today concerning this case, some things shouldn't just be like flogged around or probably just thrown under the carpet. No. This whole thing is clearing now.
Okay, what do you think, man? Just light of the world. Go ahead, man. What do you want to do?
See, the thing people are not understanding is Taban so ipe Baba o ṣe dáadáa. Kò ṣe pé à ń sọ ipe Baba ló pa ọmọ. No. After all, from the beginning, the reason táwọn èèyàn fi ṣáájá lórí Baba yẹn. You understand? Ó dàbí ẹni tó ẹ̀yin sìn kí abẹ́ mi mọ́ bí kẹwàá Naija bí kẹwàá labroad kẹwàá ní ẹni ìdẹ́gbọ́n níbi tẹ́fẹ́ lọ ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ mọ̀nà láti lọ síbẹ̀ ẹ wá
ọ̀tẹ̀ mọ́ o ẹ wá ní okay trust ẹni yẹn pé kẹ́ni yẹn wá mú yín lọ síbẹ̀ ẹni tẹ́yìn trust pé kó wá mú yín lọ síbẹ̀ wá pàpà jẹ́ ẹni tó yẹ pé kàkà tó máa mú yín lọ síbẹ̀ àwọn ẹlòmíì ti pàdé ẹ̀ lọ́nà pé má mú lọ síbẹ̀ yẹn kọ́kọ́ gbé gba Òṣòdì náà tẹ́ bá dé Òṣòdì kẹ́ lọ sí Kétu tẹ́ bá meanwhile sùúrù lérè lẹ́ bọ̀ so at the end of the day ṣé irú ẹni yẹn bá wá ṣe irú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn fún yín òun fúnra rẹ̀ mọ̀ pé nǹkan tóun fẹ́ ṣe fún yín nìyẹn ó dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé kò ń ṣe nǹkan tẹ̀yìn àti ẹjọ́ agree nǹkan tẹ́jọ́ sọ láti ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ nìyẹn and at the end of the day nìyẹn ṣe irú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn fún yín how would you feel how would you still if you find out that is what the person has done would you still go trust the person would you still see the person as a good person to you no so for me.
Okay, all right, Madonna, light of God, sorry ma let me ask you this ma if you listen to my question before you ask this question the question I just asked now I can play this thing back for you. I asked Madam Justice for Mohbad. I said according to what she said that Baba has just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lawyers, and I asked her. I said, Madam, let's start from Lawyer Fadile. If somebody wants to do something for you, and that person you feel like, or the public feel like that person is not doing that thing right, and the public now back you that they don't want the person, and you get rid of the person and get another person. So what exactly is bad in that question that I asked her? If I may ask you, how is that my question bad?
No, to me, that question, who explained that too loud? Wọ́n sọ pé wọ́n gbé lọ́ọ̀yà kan wọ́n dẹ̀ sọ fẹ́ nìyẹn pé kó change lọ́ọ̀yà ó dẹ̀ change ẹ̀. You know, for me, it's not about, listen, if you understand what I said earlier, it's not about you changing the lawyer, it's about what you want to do. Ẹni tó yẹ kó mú yín lọ síbi tó yẹ kó mú yín lọ tó dẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́.
I'm still, Madam Light of the World, I'm still not understanding the direction you are going.
No,
I just asked you a simple question. I said the question that I asked her, is it a bad question in your view?
To me, it's not. To me, it's a bad question. Let me put it that it's a bad question. Reason I see.
Okay,
as
God
a
bless
bad
you.
Question,
God bless you, man. Why do you now think it's a bad question?
Okay, the reason I think it's a bad question is that, for crying out loud, they are outside changing lawyer. There have been other things that has happened during this the course of this same thing, and that we can see that okay, this and this and this is it. So trying to like go back to once of people change the lawyer till they change it. I mean, till they change the lawyer. It's not about you changing the lawyer. Like she mentioned earlier on.
You are not getting the analogy proper, Light of the World.
Okay.
Let me put you out of the misery so that you will understand me. You see, sometimes on this G4M, you see that where the predicament lies is this. When somebody is trying to say something, allow that person to land so that you can have a clarity, of what that person is trying to say. I asked a question. The reason why I asked her that question was due to what she was saying. You understand? And I tried to know her own view. There is nothing bad in knowing her view. Okay, your view is it that because Baba changed the lawyer you don't like? Or is it because the people who are around Baba, they are the people you don't like? Because she mentioned some name. She said, when the family when Guresi said this, Baba should do it. And I asked her a question. There is nothing. You see, when you don't allow people to talk and when you don't get the memo very well, we will just continue to be doing this. We will continue. But sometimes allow people to, hear their own opinion. Then you can get to understand where they are going. But if we continue like this, that thing you do, this one, there is a reason why I asked her the question due to what she said. I'm only trying to know her own POV. Okay, what is your point of view in all of this? When you said this thing is like this thing is like this. So nothing bad in that. But the way you put it now, if someone else who is not here, that, why do she do it? Supervise, Alabo, supervise, what this one? what is on your mind for saying what you say. This is my platform. So when you say something,
I'm sorry.
Hold on, I'm coming. Hold on.
No, please, 1 second. Can you address this issue of spicy gist? Once you start saying the truth, they're gonna be coming and insult you. She just calling herself and her mother weary. So can you? Because you see, these are the people that they are paid to come in to make people not to come to platform because they don't want to take insult.
Two wrongs don't make it.
Did you see her? She's calling her mother weary and her senior sister.
Please don't do that, man. Sorry.
Then she should stop doing that as well.
Spicy.
I can't come into your platform and receiving insults from people and then
sorry. I just apologize to you now.
Okay, then you tell us
Spicy, please don't do that again, please. Okay? Please. Okay, Spicy. You know we don't like to mute people on this platform. Please don't do that, okay? Allow people to have freedom of expression. Let them express themselves.
So the people they pay to come and scatter the justice. Have you people not done enough?
You too, please.
You people have done enough to scatter the justice. Nobody is talking on life anymore. Are you people not done?
Hold on, ma. Ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe kíní ní kọ̀ọ̀kan. Ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe kíní ní kọ̀ọ̀kan. Ariwo lọ́tún, ariwo gbà lọ́sì. Ǹjẹ́ kọ́rọ̀ yọjú? Ẹ ti understand? Yorùbá ní ìkọ̀ọ̀kan báyìí là ń yọsẹ̀ kúrò lẹ́kù. Ẹ jẹ́ ká yọ ní kọ̀ọ̀kan. Spicy, you are not a baby. Okay, please. All right, please. Let's have decorum. Okay, when people are making their opinion, don't tag them, some unscrupulous names. Allow them. Let people have freedom of expression. The only thing you should do is ask them questions. Why do you think logically your view is like this? Okay, please, guys. This is 2026. You see all of these. You say this one, they attack you. This one say this one. Nobody should bring that to my platform this year. Allow everybody to express themselves, but you can ask them questions. And that's exactly what I'm just doing now. She's saying something, so I want to ask her some questions. But they did not even allow me to even ask her that question now. You see? Now my line of thought, I've even lost it because she's saying some things and that is the way to go. We've been on this place since Aristocrat, African Television, and Chairman. They were having conversation, great conversation. No fighting, nobody is having that. No, that is the way to go. Somebody can ask a question, then you answer the person, politely. Why do you reason in this line? Why do you think this way? That shouldn't be a fight. Do you understand? That is her own opinion. So allow her to, you see that I didn't mute her, I didn't tell her to stop, I allow her to finish her submission. And that is the way we are going to be going this year. Okay? So go ahead, man.
What was the question again?
What did you say?
Hey, what was it again? Where were we before?
Okay, no. I was asking you. The person just made me to forget my line of thought.
I know.
I was asking you about. You said that you were talking about the people close to Baba. You were talking about what is it called? Ifamuyiwa. You're talking about Kuresi. So I was asking you that. Did you think that the people close to Baba are the one who are not making Baba to make the right choices according to what you said?
No,
so
I didn't say they are the one that doesn't make Baba to make wrong choices. I said, I use you as an example, me and you now. You are doing something and I'm advising you how to go about it and you're not listening. What I will do is to pull out. I will not be there because if anything go wrong, they will feel that since I'm closer to you, I should be advising you not to go to
Yeah, I remember.
Yeah, you should go the right way.
Yeah.
So, but Greg and Muyiwa, even the Baba group as well, they have seen them as an obstacle, barrier to this justice. They have raised their concern to Baba as well. But Baba is still keeping them, seeing that they are important to him, they are doing the right thing. And then inside them, themselves have got division in between themselves. After the Baba refused to change the question. And then I will feel that if I am Gracie, if I am Muyiwa, because Gracie have come to a platform where he says that he can only advise Baba, he cannot force him to do what he wants to do. He's a grown man of himself. So, and then you are not looking at the consequences that if you still following Baba, going the wrong way,